Hi everyone. The theme for the home learning this week is If I Know, Then I Know. We've been working on this in class. The great thing about maths is if you know one number fact, you can always use it to work out so many other things. We're going to have a look at that in this video. Also, for this week's home learning game, I'm going to explain some ways that you can change the difficulty of the game to get it just right for you. Ways to make it slightly easier, or if you want much more challenge, ways that you can build that in as well. Now, have a look at this picture. Do you know how many squares there are? There's 7. 5 on this 10 frame, and 2 here. So, what's double 7? Can you see? Well, double 7's 14. I've got 10 in this 10 frame, and those 4 more. Now, if I know that 7 plus 7 is 14, then I know 8 plus 7. I could work it out without even looking at the squares. Do you know how many 8 plus 7 must be? Well, it's one more than 7 plus 7. It's 15. See if you can use if I know, then I know to work out the answers to 7 plus 6 and 5 plus 3. We know 6 plus 6 is 12, and we know 5 plus 5 is 10. Tell the adult that you're working with. So 7 add 6 is 1 more than 6 add 6. It's 13. And 5 plus 3 is 2 less than 5 plus 5. So it must be 8. We want you to use this technique for this week's home learning game. Now, you're going to add up the value of the red playing card to the value of the black playing card in your game. Parents, I'll describe which cards to use at the end of the video. Once you've chosen your 2 cards, add them together. In this case, it gives us 9. Then, parents, change just one of the cards. Here, the 5 turns into a 6. Now, children, I hope you've noticed that 6 plus 4 must be 1 more than 5 plus 4. It's 10. Parents, this time, change the black card. 6 plus 4 was 10, so 6 plus 5? Well, it must be 11. We want you to have a few goes adding up the different values of the playing cards. Remember, change just one card at a time. Now parents, my suggestion would be to use the cards 4, 5 and 6 for the red cards, 4, 5 and 6 for the black cards, and then keep switching one at a time and seeing if children can work out how the answers changed. To make it more difficult, you might add in another number, a 7. You could use larger numbers, or you could even get the children to add up 3 cards, but changing still just one at a time. Equally, you might think it's better if you're using 2, 3 and 4 of the red cards and 2, 3 and 4 of the black cards. So long as children can see that relationship between the numbers when they're added and how they change, that's the thing that we're really aiming for. If you haven't got any playing cards, you can use the link below the video, print that document, and that will give you some cards to use for the game. It'd be great in your home learning book if you can write down the numbers that you used, how the children got on with that. Just a short comment would be great. Thanks very much.